All businesses are being significantly disrupted, and it's absolutely critical that we, as a very major partner of many of our customers, are able to support them, to help them navigate their way through that disruption and come up with compelling concepts that really help address their business and help us to continue to grow and add real value both to ourselves and to our clients. We've invested heavily in our global approach to digital transformation, establishing centres around the world in Tokyo, Osaka, New York, Munich, London, and I'm absolutely delighted that we've added Sydney into that portfolio as well.
The Digital Transformation Center is a purpose-built facility that we look at bespoke business problems and create innovative ideas to solve real customer business challenges. We're hosting the Sydney Digital Transformation Center at Macquarie University to bring cutting-edge academia to help our customers work on their business challenges.
I guess there's three very significant elements that make our approach to digital transformation unique. The first is it's powered by co-creation. So rather than customer organisations outsourcing, actually we're working with them using a diverse range of technology experts along with business experts from across our business and our customers' business to generate new solutions that really address business problems. I guess the second thing is that we have an approach that's perfectly designed for digital transformation challenges. It's something we call human-centric experience design, or HXD, and it's something that we developed in Japan and have taken to all those centres around the world because we know it works and it allows us to work really quickly. We have some amazing tools that harnesses the human creativity of our experts and our customers' experts, allows us to work really rapidly in a digital and analog harmony.
What I'm expecting that we get out of these workshops is to bring a series of divergent thinking and different points of view to really bring value to our customers in a rapid pace. We've had a lot of success with co-creation in our region. This is the next step for Digital Transformation Center to further accelerate bringing business value and innovation to our customers.